Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to customize Claude Voice Mode. So to start, open Claude and sign in to your account. Next, click your profile in the bottom left corner. Then from the options, select Settings. Next, on the left side, go to General and scroll down until you see Voice section. So here you can choose from the available voices. So you can choose or change the language, the style, and the speed. Now, if you want to change the voice, you can go to Style and click this arrow right here. Then hover over to hear a preview, for example, Buttery.
In voice mode, we'll just talk it out. I'll wait for you to be done chatting and then I'll respond.
Now you need to hover over to the sound wave
In voice
icon
mode,
to hear it. If you only hover over to its name, it won't play. So next, let's hear Mellow.
Worst places for voice mode: libraries, solemn ceremonies, a silent meditation retreat, and a game of hide and seek.
Let's hear Glassy
You can ask me about what's on your schedule, which hotel to book for your vacation.
and Rounded.
Best places for voice mode? Cooking, walking, fixing something, conducting
So I think I'm gonna choose Glassy, and then I'm gonna change the speed right here. So click this arrow. So you have slow, normal, and fast. You can choose slow or whichever you prefer.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel, and of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now, let's continue.
So once you've customized these settings, simply return to your conversation and continue talking with Claude. So just simply close this window and it will be saved automatically. And that's how you can customize Claude Voice Mode to make your conversations more comfortable and personalized. Thank you for watching.